Hey there, it's time to boost your neural network confidence fast. First things first, immerse yourself in the world of neural networks. Dive into online resources, books, and workshops to expand your knowledge and understanding. Next, practice, practice, practice. Start by working on small projects and gradually move on to more complex ones. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they are all part of the learning process. Remember, confidence comes from experience and knowledge. Keep pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and soon enough, you'll be a neural network pro. Uplifting ending sentence, believe in yourself and your abilities, you've got this. Hey there, have you been struggling to stay focused lately? Let me introduce you to a game changer, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool that can help you naturally boost your focus in so many ways. First off, it can act as a virtual assistant, reminding you of important tasks and deadlines, keeping you on track throughout the day. Secondly, ChatGPT can also spark creativity and enhance problem-solving skills. By engaging in conversations with this AI, you can explore different perspectives and generate new ideas effortlessly. So, if you're looking to enhance your focus and productivity, give ChatGPT a try today. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Uplifting ending sentence, remember, with ChatGPT by your side, the possibilities are endless. Let's boost that focus together.
Hey there, welcome back to another episode. Today, let's talk about self-driving cars and some shocking moments when they lose focus. One of the scariest moments can be when a self-driving car encounters an unexpected obstacle on the road. While they are designed to detect and avoid obstacles, there are instances where they can fail to react appropriately, putting both passengers and pedestrians at risk. Another shocking moment is when self-driving cars struggle to navigate in adverse weather conditions. Heavy rain, snow, or fog can interfere with the sensors and cameras, leading to confusion and potentially dangerous situations. Despite these challenges, it's important to remember that self-driving technology is constantly improving. Engineers and developers are working tirelessly to enhance the safety and reliability of these vehicles, ultimately making our roads safer for everyone. So, next time you see a self-driving car on the road, remember that it's all part of the journey towards a more connected and automated future. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you 5 tips to improve your focus for blockchain success. First, set clear goals. Knowing exactly what you want to achieve in the blockchain space will help you stay focused and motivated. Second, eliminate distractions. Whether it's turning off notifications or finding a quiet workspace, minimizing distractions will allow you to concentrate fully on your blockchain tasks. Next, prioritize your tasks. Make a to-do list and tackle the most important tasks first. This will help you stay organized and on track towards your blockchain goals. Lastly, take breaks. It's important to give your brain a rest to avoid burnout. Step away from your work, go for a walk, or practice mindfulness to recharge your focus. Remember, improving your focus is key to achieving success in blockchain. Stay determined, stay focused, and you'll reach your goals in no time. Uplifting ending sentence. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see all the amazing things you'll accomplish in the blockchain world. Stay focused and keep shining.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's talk about something truly fascinating: how blockchain technology can revolutionize the way we approach our daily habits. First off, blockchain can help us track our habits effortlessly. By using blockchain-based apps, we can easily monitor our progress, set goals, and stay on track with our routines. It's like having a personal assistant right at our fingertips. Next, blockchain can incentivize us to stick to our habits. Imagine earning cryptocurrency every time you complete a task or reach a milestone. The rewards can motivate us to stay consistent and develop healthier habits in the long run. So, there you have it, 5 surprising ways blockchain can supercharge your habits. From tracking your progress to earning rewards, this technology has the power to transform the way we approach self-improvement. Remember, it's never too late to start building better habits. With blockchain by your side, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.